Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to make your own DIY sea glass, and then we're going to make a necklace using the new E6000 Plus. Now E6000 Plus has all the qualities of E6000, but no odor. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a sea glass necklace. Make sure to grab a tube of E6000 Plus, thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.